broadcast journalist, I would say. Yeah. It was actually I'm fond of learning about the current events. So that's why I want to be um, a news anchor or a documentary reporter, something like that.
What were the factors of being a successful accountant?
Um, Actually, I don't know. It really depends on the person's priorities. So if you're like me, my gauge for success would be doing something that I love, doing something that my parents want me to do, and doing something